SnapBots.
Hi guys, my name is SnapBots. In this video, I will explain how to get your first cryptocurrency step-by-step process. Purchasing cryptocurrency is not difficult. Everybody can easily purchase cryptocurrency without even a single step out of home. So first, you must know what cryptocurrency you would like to buy and where you will buy them. In this video, I will show you how to buy USDT with Korean won. There are several ways to buy cryptocurrencies, and one of the most common ways is through the crypto exchanges. To find out which exchanges you will buy, you can easily check on official SnapBots websites. You click the exchange and you will be able to see the number of exchanges. There is a separate video on how to choose crypto exchange for you. If you haven't watched it yet, please watch it first. So now let's get our first cryptocurrency, USDT. USDT is also called Tether. It is a type of stable coin which aims to be a bridge between paper money and cryptocurrencies. So, compared to other wide-swing cryptocurrencies, USDT keeps its value steady and consistent. Here is the Hold.Stake exchange in Korea. I choose Hold.Stake exchange. It is because it has USDT coin and also support Korean won. Once you log in Hold.Stake exchange, it will show the crypto marketplace just like stocks. Since I will buy coins with Korean won, I will choose KRW. And it displays all coins I can buy with KRW. Now I will find USDT and click trade. It displays the USDT KRW market now. Since I will buy USDT with Korean won, I will have to find USDT and KRW. Now we can see the current price and volume of USDT KRW market with order book. As you see, there are different order types: limit, market, and stop limit. There is a more detailed explanation of order types, so if you would like to learn more, please watch the order types video. In this video, I will use a market order. A market order is an order that will execute immediately after sending an order. Therefore, you don't need to enter which price you would like to buy. You just have to enter how much in total you would like to buy. Here I will enter 200,000 Korean won. Once you click buy USDT, it will trigger to buy immediately. Now I have my first cryptocurrency, USDT. You also can check orders on the order history tab. Thanks for watching and see you on the next videos.